Hey guys, doing a little voiceover for this one. Only got about 3-4 minutes of footage. Yep, I somehow hit the record button by accident when I was mounting my camera to my chest mount. I actually didn't get a bad start. I started on the outside, but I let off. So as you can see on the inside, much better line. I was taking the conservative, safer line on the outside, just because we funneled down to this like kind of little chicane here, and we dropped down into a little hill and then back up. This course was really fun. It was Mondon Hill, and it was in Brooksville, Florida. This was by far my favorite race because it had a little bit of everything. You're going to see here in a minute, we're going to head into a motocross track, so that's where they started us out. And only got one, sight lap. So I just didn't feel confident enough to hit all these tabletops. They were pretty safe, nothing to do with that, just me being cautious. I know, racing and cautious doesn't really go together, but anyway. Yeah, this race was a lot of fun. Start off moto, go into the woods. Unlike a lot of places in Florida, this was actually pretty hard-packed. Dirt, hills, rocks, roots. Roots we always have, but not so much the rocks. Yeah, this was the step up. This looked so much fun. I wish I had some practice to actually hit that. I kind of wanted to just, I want to go back and hit it, but this is not open spot for the public to go. I think you have to be a member of this club to ride here. But anyway, yeah, we'll go through this moto section and then head into the woods. There was a couple of spots where they gave you options. So you can do an easy or hard section, which was pretty cool. Obviously, the harder sections, if you did it, you gained some time. It wasn't as long. But I actually chose to do the easy on this hill coming up, you'll see, just because during the sight lap, a lot of people got hung up on these hills. So I didn't want a chance getting stuck behind someone that fell, because actually in practice, one of the hills, the guy stalled right in front of me. I went up to the left of him, and then he fell over into me. So luckily I just held him up and, got away with it. Nothing happened to either of us, but that's what I was trying to avoid in this race. Anyway, a little bit of a controversy in this race. I guess the markings on the track, not even so much the markings, but some of that tape you see got knocked down, and the top, I think 6 guys missed a turn, and they first lap didn't count, or they doubled, they added up the time between the first and second lap. So unfortunate for those guys, they didn't place very well, even though they finished, top 6. But, we have to be real about it, right? You can't skip the course if it was an accident or not. So it benefited me because I actually wound up taking second place in this race. Anyway, here we are into the woods. This guy right in front of me with this pink backpack, I think his number was 454. I didn't get it, but we battled quite some time. But really, that's about it. The video is going to end here in a second. And yeah, second place. Really fun race. Really bummed I didn't get any of the footage. So thanks, guys.